Basically, I wanted to learn to trade because I'd done a couple of degrees at university and I've been very unsuccessful in getting a job in my specialised field. And so this has brought a lot of stress and pressure in my life. And so I'm looking to try and be a little bit more proactive and take control of my financial future. So I see trading as an opportunity to introduce a bit of autonomy into my life. So not having to rely on a boss, basically. In terms of the skills to trade, I've taken a lot. I'd say in terms of life skills, the biggest one that I'd probably say I've picked up is this idea of risk management. So that is continue to keep trying, and even if you fail, just make sure the failure is not absolutely abysmally huge and keep moving forward. Well, I can definitely say at my age now, I've done a lot of traveling. I've lived overseas twice. I've been on every continent. I think the biggest dream for me now is to just actually start living a better lifestyle. You know, I actually want to be able to afford nice clothes. I actually want to be able to indulge in nice experiences. Yeah, I think the course has been pretty outstanding, to be honest. I think the fact that they gave us all the course notes before we got here was very helpful. Everyone's been very supportive. The class has been very cool. You know, I've made some good friends here. Everyone shares the same enthusiasm and drive. It's quite refreshing to be around that, to be honest. I'd like to give a big thank you to Learn to Trade, you know, for providing this platform and this opportunity. And I'm really hoping just to, you know, stick to the rules and apply what I've learned here.